Hello everyone. Today I'm making a drawing tutorial. Hear someone talking in the background. That's just my sister. But I'm gonna show you how to draw a bread man. No. Wow, I meant toaster guy. Wow. Okay. So, one. Okay. So first, I'm just gonna grab this black. Uh, one. First, just make a nice something like that. Just no. So make a nice rectangle. You just smooth up the corners. So, yeah, something like that. This is a different view, but still all applies. So make a nice circle here. Don't make them too big, like not like this. That's a different style, but make them look nice. Yeah, like that. To just drop a line down the middle, and then make half a circle here. Make his mouth nice. And just add 2 lines in the middle. Then I'm gonna do this. Yeah. This is a thing that, well, toast stuff. Okay. So now I'm just gonna draw his legs. You can draw them however you want. He's kind of small. He's not too big. So yeah, now I'm gonna add the hands. The toaster guy only has 4 fingers. And Breadman's over here with 5. Yeah, looks good enough. So then add a line back here, at the top here. Now this part we're gonna draw his staff. Of course, since he's a toaster, it's a toasted piece of bread. So and then for his hat, you're just gonna draw a piece of bread, upside down bread. Be sure to make it 3D too. Looks like cowboy hat, not gonna lie. Just make it angry. Ow! Because that piece of bread is alive and it hates being upside down. So just add some hashtags to make it look like, well, yeah, because it is toasted, but. And then that's really it. I mean, you can add some orange line like that for some shine on his eyes. All this applies if you're just gonna draw him facing your way. Yeah, it's pretty much all the same thing. His colors are they added pixel art now. What? That is crazy. That's actually cool. Finally updating their site. By the way, I use Clicky.com. But if you don't want to use that, that's fine too. You just need a good brush and His colors are just gray. Yeah, then its eyes are yellow. Thank you all for watching, and